Hi and welcome to today's video on Charming Mommy Vlogs. Today I am bringing you a daytime cleaning motivation routine that shares how I mainly focus on one room to clean up completely to my satisfaction for the day, based on the fact that I have a small frame of time to do that in with a currently very adventurous and growing 14-month-old toddler. With this particular video, I feel like I'm being seriously realistic because who really has time to clean up their entire house while their toddler takes one nap? So I feel like at this stage, if I don't just take one room at a time, it will not get fully clean. Today's focus will be on the living room. And I'm also including sort of a vlog style of what our morning consisted of. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. As you can see, baby girl pretty much wrecked the living room, but first things first, we started off the morning by making our breakfast and watching one of baby girl's current favorite movies called The Secret Life of Pets. Yes, that's still her favorite movie. So while baby girl finished her breakfast and I stuffed my face with a banana while we watched her morning movie, I started to clean up the living room just a bit by deep cleaning the sofa, vacuuming underneath all the pillows. As a stay-at-home mom, anxiety can go through the roof at sights like this. Pizza crumbs everywhere under my couch pillows, you guys, and I don't even eat pizza anymore, so you know it was time for a nice chat with hubby. Oh my goodness. I thought baby girl was ready for a nap, but she looked like she wanted to help me clean instead, playing with her new vacuum. So while she was in good spirits, I started picking up the odds and ends. Those were not dirty diapers, you guys. Somehow the new pack just got strewn all around the room. I gathered empty bottles, put up shoes. I was even surprised to cross this bag from the Dollar Tree of items that I purchased the day before and still had not put up. While baby girl was tackling her nap, I was able to go ahead and finish giving the couch a deep vacuum. I know it looks like it must be my favorite part of cleaning, but I actually truly detest vacuuming. This book from Buc-ee's is water activated. It's a win-win because she loves it and it's mess free. One of her first attempts at coloring. So adorable. And of course her current favorite book. One of her favorite new words is tiger, and it is definitely because of that book. Here I'm just picking up more randomness around the room and picking up some toys. Then I start back in on the deep clean with more vacuuming. Then I'm just using Lysol wipes and Mrs. Meyer's lavender scented multi-purpose cleaner to sanitize the tables. We usually just keep water bottles where we can just grab them and go, but I stopped to put these in the fridge so they could be chilled when we were ready to grab them because the past few weeks have already been in the upper 90s temperature-wise. So hot. In this clip, you see me just lightly dusting my entertainment center. Cleaning under the couch. Sanitizing the coffee table. And organizing baby girl's activity books. If you guys know anything about me from watching my cleaning videos so far, you know that I cannot not wash some dishes. So I did that before starting lunch. You did not see me put those few dishes in the cabinet after washing, because one funny thing about me is I like to put things like plates over by the stove after cleaning them. Like, why put them all away when you know you're going to be cooking your next meal as soon as you finish this video? I was in the kitchen about to start Raina and I's lunch, and I look out the window. It just got overcast really suddenly, and it's like the wind just started blowing so hard that the leaves were coming off the trees. And if you see, like, right out my window, just a second ago she was trying to let me know that she threw her Play-Doh in the trash can by accident and brought me the whole trash can. Disgusting, but yeah, I'm proud of her for, you know, bringing it to me to take care of instead of trying to go in there and doing something nasty. So baby girl's waiting, and I'm just going to make these Sam's Choice vegetarian baked beans that I found actually at Walmart, and it says no artificial flavors or preservatives, so that looks good, and the actual ingredients look okay. So I'm gonna be making that and probably put some organic cheese on top for baby girl, so it can be like those pintos and cheese that you can get at Taco Bueno or Taco Bell. I used to love them when I was younger, y'all. And we already have some other vegetables pre-cooked, so I'm gonna warm those up. Also, probably add some fajita chicken or something, but it is time to eat. I actually use any kind of olive oil to cook with now, because without a gallbladder, it is the healthiest way to still digest fats without doing so in excess. Let me know in the comments below if you noticed that I did actually put the dishes right beside where I was going to make the next meal. And here we have the finished product of our vegetarian baked bean semi-chicken stew. I brought baby girl her food. It's cut up enough that she can handle it on her own, but she has been so trying to feed herself with her own spoon lately that I decided to help her practice that. Then we just watched the rest of her movie together until hubby came home for his nap. Hit that notification bell and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you never miss a video, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!